I'm Neil Rogers, the lead member for the Economy and Regeneration at Wrexham County Borough Council. We are at the solar farm, the first in Wales, in Legacy near Wrexham. Well, we chose this site here at Legacy because of the close proximity to the national grid just across the fields here. It's a wonderful opportunity. We've been working with the local community and also working with our suppliers, British Gas. I think there's benefits for all concerned, for the community, for the local authority, Wrexham County Borough Council. Well, the solar farm has been built on council-owned farmland at Berthagron Farm near Legacy. The local grid connection, as well as site topography and location, meant that the farmland provided was the best opportunity to build our solar farm. The fields that the solar panels are in can still be grazed by sheep, reducing the visual impact, and we're also building ponds and planting trees to help improve the biodiversity in and around the solar farm. Being a green electricity producer means that we can claim the feed-in tariff. This is a payment that we will receive for the electricity generated by our solar panels. This will provide a regular ongoing source of income over the lifetime of the project, which can be reinvested in our services. This is particularly important in a time where we must make substantial savings. We'll be the first council in Wales to own and operate our own solar farm, which brings considerable prestige to the county borough. As the solar panels produce no carbon emissions when they are generating electricity, the county is also helping to do its bit to prevent climate change, as well as contributing to the UK government's and European Union's renewable energy targets.